Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about Uluhe fern curls. They're long-lasting, beautiful coloration. They work so well with the mocha mousse color of the year. When you get it in, it's simply give it a cut, put it in fresh water, and then I find if you spray it with Crowning Glory, it holds incredibly well. The oddity, the one thing you need to know, is that you do not put it in your flower cooler. It shouldn't go below 55 degrees. Yes, it's a tropical, so much like your orchids and your anthurium. You want to keep this out at room temperature or above 55 degrees. But spraying it with Crowning Glory, fresh cut, and it will last and hold beautifully. Now you know how the pros do it.